What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can add an item or a product to add to cart. Okay, so a lot of people want to purchase something on Alibaba but they don't know how to add the product to add to cart. Okay, now what you need guys first is you need to search for something that you want to buy. Okay, for example, I want to buy LED ambient lighting car interior. Now you want to search for what you want to buy and you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, let me close this. You want to scroll down a little bit and click on ready to ship. Okay, so if you click on ready to ship, then Alibaba will show you only items that are ready to ship at that moment. Okay, but when you don't check that, then Alibaba will show you all items and you will have to contact the suppliers. You have to ask them about the shipping time, the price of the shipping. But when you check this, then Alibaba will do everything for you and you will show you how much you are going to pay for the shipping and everything. Like, you want to click on what you want to buy and you want to scroll down a little bit and you will see here add to cart. As you can see, it's called add to cart. Click on it. And as you can see, order quantity must be greater than 0, so you will have to click on increase the quantity. Click on add to cart. You can do the same thing on any product, even if it's not ready to ship. Okay, the reason why I told you guys to click on ready to ship, so that you can see how much you are going to pay for shipping. As you can see, you are going to pay $46, and this is the cost of the item. It's 71. So that's it. And then in the top right, you will see here cart. And then you can as you can see, you can then check this, and then you can start buying these. Okay, and then you can check out if you want to buy multiple items at once. But you can do the same thing with any product. For example, it's a gaming desk. I'm just going to click, for example, on this one. As you can see, when you don't check ready to ship, you are not going to be able to click on add to cart. That's why I told you guys at the beginning. So you will have to contact supplier, you will have to ask them about the shipping time, stuff like that, and then they can send you an offer that you have to click on that link, and then you can enter the information and then you can pay for the product. Now that's exactly why you need guys to check this box. It's called ready to ship. Okay, so if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.